Hello you guys, I'm back with another review. Woo! Today I am going to review some press-on nails. I am an avid fan of like doing the blank nails and then painting them yourself, but recently I got like very tired of doing that, so I decided to go with press-on nails. I actually have a set on right now. I actually don't know if you can see them from here, but you'll see some close-ups later in the video. So, as you can see, I have lined up these sets that I bought recently of these press-on nails. I've lined them up by brand. So the first one, the shiny silver one, is LA Colors. The middle one is by Kiss. And then the last one is by Salon Perfect. These two from LA Colors are both from their holographic collection, I guess. The holographic pixie something. I don't know. Either way, they were both holographic and I got them simply because they were so shiny. These, they stay on pretty well. The only thing is, I guess the holographic film, if you will, comes off kind of easily, so you may want to put a top coat over these. I know it defeats the purpose of not having to paint your nails. If you even remotely pick up anything that'll scratch your nails, these will chip like almost instantly. Next one is by Kiss. These are actually the ones I'm wearing right now. As you can see, these so far, I just recently got these. I don't see any chipping as of yet, but it's only been 3 days, about 3 days since I've had them on, and they're doing pretty well. None of the sparkles have came off. As you can probably see, they're still in good condition. Now, the purple ones, the plain purple ones, are matte. And then these sparkly ones, they are just shiny. So that's the only kind of strange thing about them. But other than that, they are pretty amazing. And the next line in Kiss are these. So honestly, these I didn't like as much, but they're pretty much the same, similar concept to the ones I have on now, except not matte. So it's like all of them are shiny, and these are pretty good quality, but I realized that I didn't like so many different patterns on my fingers like that. You know, with the ones at the top middle ones, and then the one on the second to last on the right. These were pretty good quality also. They stayed on pretty well. No chipping at all. So next are these from Salon Perfect. With these I have a complaint. So these have rhinestones, if you can tell there. I'll get a little closer. These have rhinestones. Now the rhinestones, they're beautiful. Like they occur at the bottom of the nail, like towards the nail bed, and then towards the top of the nail on some of them. The only thing is these will get caught on everything and come off like within the first day or two, because like it was starting to catch on my clothes and everything. It was as if they didn't put any film or whatever they do, like basically they didn't put a top coat of whatever they used to glue it on there on top. So it was scratching everything and catching on everything. That's my only complaint. But these were beautiful on. Like they had, you know, the two variations at the bottom and then the two in the middle and then just the plain black ones. All of them are shiny, like the shiny finish. I really like these other than the stones getting caught on everything and coming off. These are the last ones. So these look pretty plain, but there's actually some of the plain variation that has sparkles on them, like very subtle sparkles, and then there's some that are just like plain. My only complaint with these, like I love these two, these were beautiful, and the stones stayed on like perfectly fine, like it was amazing. But you see in the, I guess the ad, the one that the lady has on her very first, or I guess the third finger if you will, they only provided 2 of those out of the whole entire pack. Just literally 2. So if you wanted to wear these sets again, you would just be wearing basically all pink ones with a couple of the ones with the stones at the bottom. And I was kind of upset about that. They didn't provide much variety in this particular one. All the other ones, like you had multiples of the ones with the stones or with the sparkles, but this you only get you only get one shot at the 2 stones, the 2 fully rhinestoned ones, and that's it. I really liked how these fit. Also, these didn't have any chipping. So that concludes my review on the recent press-on nails that I have. I will be buying some more, but I'm going to try to find more of a variety of press-on nails. These I just got particularly at Walmart. They're all in the same price range except for the Salon Perfect ones. Those were apparently new at the time I got them, and they were only $3. Everything else was more in the range of $4 and $5. I will be trying to look around like on Amazon, and if other places have a good selection of press-on nails, I will be getting them and I'll be showing you. Like, I really like press-on nails right now. Like before, you couldn't get me to put on press-on nails because I would get so frustrated. Like,
I want to paint this nail the color I want, and I want the shape that I want.
But obviously, I'm over that right now. Maybe someday I will show you how I used to do my blank nails. Now, disclaimer, I don't use the glue that comes with it. I use super glue, even though they tell you not to do that. They stay on, the glue that I get makes them stay on significantly longer, and it has very minimal damage to your nails. Like, especially if you just literally put a dot like you're supposed to with the regular nail glue. With my particular glue that I use, like, you could literally take them off at any time with little pain. Like, you soak them in warm water and they're ready to come off. So, like, in the scheme of things, that doesn't sound like it makes sense, but it does. These last for about a week with that glue. So, kind of think about it. If at any moment they're ready to come off, but then after they're dry, they're still ready to go, I think that's some pretty good glue. The experiences I had with the glue that comes with those nails, like if you wash your hands, like, they're gonna come off like, no matter if your hands are dry or not. That glue doesn't really care, at least from my experience. I've even bought the separate nail glue that was, fast drying or whatever. Like, even that acted up on me. I've been using the super glue that I have for years, so to each his own. Alright, so that's it for this video, you guys. If you liked it, subscribe, like, do that in the opposite order, please. Like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Let me know which nail set is your favorite from my collection, or you can let me know about your collection. And if you guys have any suggestions on where to buy any more press-on nails that are in a good price range, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Boom! Subscribe!